Hey everyone, I'm Clara and welcome to my English routine channel. This morning, we'll step into Jack's day. He's my roommate, new in the US, and he needs to make an appointment on the phone in English. First, you'll hear a real conversation between Jack and a receptionist. And after that, we'll check all the key words and expressions together so you feel totally comfortable using them. Stay with me, relax, and let's learn this together. All right, the conversation starts now.
Jack, take a look at your phone. This is the clinic number, right?
Yes, that's the one. Just seeing it makes my heart walk a little faster.
That's normal. Remember what you practiced. I'm right here if you need me. Oh, listen, I think someone is about to answer.
Okay, let's do this.
Good morning, Green Valley Medical Clinic. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. Are you a new patient with us?
Yes, I am. I moved here recently.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Sure. My name is Jack Miller.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. And what is the reason for your visit today?
It's just a regular checkup.
All right. Let me check our schedule. Are you looking for a specific day?
I'd like an appointment this week, if possible.
Let's see. We have availability on Thursday and Friday. Do you prefer the morning or the afternoon?
The morning would be better for me.
Okay. On Thursday, we have an opening at 9:30 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that sounds good.
Great. I'll schedule you for Thursday at 9:30 in the morning. May I also have your date of birth?
Yes, it's March 10th, 1986.
Thank you. And do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Could you please bring your insurance card with you on the day of your appointment?
Of course, I'll bring it.
Perfect. Please arrive 15 minutes early to complete some forms.
15 minutes early. Got it.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Where exactly is the office located?
We're at 245 Oak Street, second floor. There's a parking lot behind the building.
I see. That helps a lot.
Wonderful. Then you're all set. We'll see you on Thursday at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Whew. Wow.
You did it.
I really did. And I didn't freeze.
You sounded calm and polite the whole time.
My hands were not calm, but my voice behaved well.
That still counts. How do you feel now?
Relieved and a little proud, actually.
You should be. You followed all the steps naturally.
I noticed something interesting.
What's that?
The receptionist spoke clearly, but not slowly, and I still understood.
Exactly. Real conversations are often like that. You don't need to catch every word, just the important ones.
Like Thursday, 9:30, and bring your insurance card.
Yes, those are key details.
And arrive early. That one sounded serious.
Clinics love that phrase.
One small thing, though. When she said availability, my brain paused for half a second.
That's okay. It's a useful word. It just means free time on the schedule.
Ah, that makes sense now.
And you didn't panic. You stayed with the conversation.
I think breathing helped.
Breathing helps everything.
Clara, can I ask you something?
Of course.
If I needed to change the appointment later, is that very different?
Not very different. You'd say you want to reschedule, but we'll practice that another day.
Good. Let's not invite extra stress today.
Agreed.
I also liked how she asked questions one by one. It felt organized.
That's typical, and you answered each part clearly.
Even the date of birth part. I always worry about numbers.
You said it very clearly, and you didn't rush.
I guess slowing down really helps.
It does, and people appreciate it.
You know, before today, making an appointment felt like a big mountain.
And now?
Now it feels like a hill. Still a hill, but one I can walk up.
That's a perfect description.
Thank you for staying quiet during the call.
You didn't need me. That was the goal. So, Jack, we learned a lot today. Let's quickly review some useful words we used.
Sounds good. I'm actually excited to go back over them.
I love hearing that. All right, let's start with something very central. Do you remember the word appointment?
Of course, that one stayed with me. An appointment means a planned meeting at a specific time, usually with a doctor or an office.
Exactly. And you use it when you don't just show up. Like when you say, I have an appointment on Thursday at 9:30.
Right. Without an appointment, I would just be a confused person in a waiting room.
Yes, and nobody wants that. And since we're talking about that call, another word that came up was checkup.
Ah, yes. A checkup is a routine medical visit to see if everything is okay.
Perfect. It's not for an emergency, just to check your health. People often say, I'm here for a regular checkup.
I like that word. It sounds calm, much calmer than problem.
That's true. It's a very friendly medical word. You know what also caught my attention?
The word available.
Good one. Available means free or possible at a certain time.
So when she said we have availability on Thursday, she meant they had free time then.
Exactly. And you could also say, I'm available in the morning.
That makes sense. I hear that word everywhere now.
Speaking of time, do you remember opening?
Yes, an opening is a free time slot in the schedule.
Like when the receptionist says, we have an opening at 9:30.
That one feels very practical. It's like a little door in the schedule.
I like that image. Another phrase you handled really well was date of birth.
Oh, yes. Date of birth means the day you were born.
Exactly. Simple, but very common in appointments. You'll hear it a lot.
And you answer with the full date, like, my date of birth is March 10th.
Perfect. Can we talk about insurance for a moment?
Of course, insurance is a service that helps pay for medical care. So when she asked, do you have health insurance, she wanted to know how the visit would be paid for.
Exactly. And then she mentioned the insurance card.
That's the card you bring to prove you have insurance.
Yes. Like when you say, I'll bring my insurance card with me.
That one feels very real-life English.
It really is. Now something people hear a lot. Arrive early.
Yes, clinics love that phrase.
They do. To arrive early means to come before the appointment time.
So when she said, please arrive 15 minutes early, she meant don't be late.
Exactly. It gives time for forms and paperwork.
Paperwork, my old enemy.
You're not alone. There's also a very friendly expression she used at the end. You're all set.
I liked that one a lot. You're all set means everything is ready and finished.
It's what people say when there's nothing more to do.
Like your appointment is booked. You're all set.
Perfect use. And we can't forget schedule.
True. A schedule is a plan of times and appointments.
Like when she checked the schedule, she was looking at all the times. Perfect. People often say, let me check the schedule.
That phrase sounds very professional.
One more that appeared naturally was located.
Oh, yes. Located means where a place is.
Right. Like when you asked, where is the office located?
That one felt useful, much better than saying, where is it exactly?
Both work, but located sounds very natural. You also heard parking lot.
Yes, a parking lot is a place where you park your car.
Like, there's a parking lot behind the building.
That detail reduces stress immediately.
It really does.
To Lara, I notice something now.
What's that?
All these words connect naturally. They feel like part of one situation, not random vocabulary.
That's the goal. You're learning language the way you live it. All right, friends, watching with us, let's quickly go over what we used today. We talked about appointment, which refers to a planned meeting at a specific time.
And checkup, meaning a routine visit to see if everything is okay.
We used available and opening to talk about free time on a schedule.
Date of birth, the day you were born, and insurance with the insurance card you bring to the clinic.
We also heard arrive early, which means coming before the appointment time.
And my favorite, you're all set, meaning everything is finished and ready.
Don't forget schedule, the plan of appointments.
And located for asking where a place is, plus parking lot for your car.
Viewers, now it's your turn. Try writing 3 to 5 sentences using these words in the comments.
Yes, maybe one sentence about calling a doctor and another about the appointment time.
That's a great idea. Practice helps everything feel more natural.
And we really enjoy reading your sentences. Don't worry about being perfect, just try.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.
That way you won't miss our next English practice together.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time, feeling a little more confident, one appointment at a time.